Happy Friday! By now, I hope you all have a decent understanding of what a suffix is. Can you all pause your video and quickly have a conversation with your class about what a suffix is? Right, a suffix goes at the end of a base word and it slightly changes the word. So we have some examples here. Full means full of. So we have the word use. So we can say useful. Let me go back. I lost my slide. There we go. Okay, so useful means full of use, like a pencil, right? It's very useful for all of our schoolwork. Okay, makes a thing or a verb a person. So speaker, here's a speaker here, right? It's a person who speaks. It could also become a thing that speaks, right? Like a speaker in your car, a person who speaks. Lee makes a word an adverb. We also have Y's at the end of some words that also is makes the word a describing word. It might be an adjective, right? It describes a noun. Here we have quickly, right? To do something quickly. Okay, let's tap. Let's clap our words. We're going to clap. Speaker, what's the word? Speaker, speaker, speaker. Second word, okay, wonderful. What's the word? Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Finally, 3 syllables. Truly, what's the word? Truly, truly, truly. 2 syllables. Reporter, what's the word? Reporter, reporter, reporter. 3 syllables there. Watery, what's the word? Watery, watery, watery. Okay, let me really quickly. So that word watery, I was just thinking in my head, oh, there's an ER in that word. Is that a suffix? No, it's not. So here we have an ER, but remember that suffixes have to go at the end of a real word. And is W-A-T, wat, a word that has to do with something that you drink, like water? No. So this ER is not a suffix, okay? Because it belongs to the word water. So Y here is the suffix because it's now describing something, right? Like if the ice melted in my drink and now my drink is watery. Okay, sound cards. Sh, sh, ooh, you. Ooh, you. A, Ku. Sh. Oi. You, O, oo. Sh, sh. Okay, guys. Last set of words before we head over to our spelling test, okay? All righty. Let's see here. Let's do orange today. All right. Remember OU says ow? Power. Power. So here's another example of, let's go back, of how ER is not a suffix in this case, because if you look, pow, that's not necessarily a word. It's like a sound, right? You could say pow, but it's not a word that means something. So it is not a suffix. It just is part of the word, power. Okay, here's the suffix, full. So we have powerful, powerful, full of power. Farm, farmer, farmer. Glad, glad, gladly, gladly. Okay, your turn. Power, powerful. Farm, farmer. Glad, gladly, to do something while being glad, right? I will gladly get you another ice water. Okay, here we have quick, quick, quickly, quickly. Okay, so remember here, on its own, that is a word that says R, but in a word, it's going to say air, air, care, careful, careful, friend, friend, friendly, friendly, to treat somebody like a friend, friendly, to be friendly, okay? Alrighty, sentence, let's see, how many suffixes do we have? Ooh, here's ER, is it at the end of a base word? Perform, you can perform, right? But if you're a performer, you're a person who performs. That's a lot of sounds. Okay, so here's humorous, remember this is also a suffix, us, humorous. Cheerful, full of cheer, gladly. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 words with suffixes here. So we have performer, humorous, cheerful, gladly. Humorous, this is an adjective because it's describing the story. What kind of story did the performer share? A humorous story, a funny story. Okay. When the performer shared a humorous story, we felt cheerful and gladly asked for more. Listen as I read. When the performer shared a humorous story, we felt cheerful and gladly asked for more. Notice I took a slight pause at the comma. Your turn. Ready, ready, read. Awesome, guys. Okay, so now get out your paper for your spelling test. Today we're taking spelling test 23. Remember those base words, remember those suffixes. You got this. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.